Hey, it's Mark from Forbes Kia, and we're having a Forte Fest.
We sure are, Mark.
That's right, Hunter. We've got unbelievable offers on all remaining 2020 Fortes. Hey, Kim, we're doing Forte Fest. What do you think about no payments till 2021?
Sounds good.
Hey, Mark, we're doing Forte Fest on all remaining 2020 Fortes, and we need service to pay for all service appointments until 2022.
No problem at all.
Awesome, thanks. Great news, Caitlin. Forte Fest has been approved. No payments on all remaining 2020 Fortes until 2021, and no service charges on regular maintenance till 2022.
Really? That's great.
Forte Fest is on, and as you can see, we've got a lot of Fortes in stock. They all got to go. We got blue, we got gravity gray, red, black. Rates as low as 0%. No payments till 2021. No charge regular scheduled maintenance till 2022. It really doesn't get any better than that. And remember, that's only at Forbes Kia Minas and ForbesKia.com.